What's up, guys? This is Angela Bay with Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the star of the show. And for those of you who don't know, I have been an English teacher for the past 20 years, and I am so excited to be here to be able to help everyone with their English language learning goals. Each week, you can ask me a question on anything about the English language, like what is a conjunction and how in the world do you say onomatopoeia? It took me a long time to get that one. So, without further ado, let's get started.
Question of the week. Profe Angela. What is an adjective and adverbial clause? Thank you. Usman, Gambia, West Africa. Great question, Usman. An adjective clause functions like an adjective that tells which one, what kind, or how many. Adjective clauses usually give more information about a noun or a pronoun in a sentence. Also, an adjective clause will always start with a relative pronoun like who, whom, whose, that, which, or a relative adverb like when, where, why. For example, the girl who sits behind me has red hair. Note, who sits behind me gives more information about girls. The place where I work has a beautiful cafeteria. Note, where I work gives more information about place. An adverbial clause plays the same role as an adverb in a sentence. And just like an adverb, it can usually be categorized as one of the following. Adverb of time. When, while, until, since. Adverb of manner. Like, as though, how. Adverb of place. Everywhere, wherever. Adverb of reason. Because, since, as. Adverb of time. When he arrives, he will tell us the truth. Adverb of manner. He speaks as though he were the boss. Adverb of place. She travels wherever she likes in the summer. Adverb of reason. I was late because I could not catch the bus.
Now for this week's sentence challenge.
Write a sentence with an adjective clause and an adverbial clause using the instructions in this video to guide you. Now remember, adjective and adverbial clauses are dependent clauses. An adjective clause describes a noun or a pronoun in a sentence, and an adverbial clause usually can be categorized to show manner, time, place, or reason, just to name a few. And if you need help, search online for examples and share them with us.
Thank you, Usman, for that great question about clauses. And good luck, you guys, on this week's sentence challenge. Remember, if you need help, just write your sentences in the comment box below, and I will give you a quick reply. All right, guys, that's it for this week on Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the star of your English language learning experience. If you're my English language warriors, hit that like button. And if you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button and become a part of the APA family. All right, everyone, have a great rest of your weekend, and I'll see you next time on Ask Profe Angela. See you!